Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today I'm showing you a very substantial family home. This is a detached property and it's located in Baddlesmere Road. This is in fact number 78 Baddlesmere Road. So looking at it from the front, of course, you can already see there is extensive off-road parking here, plenty of it, and from the outside the property gives that nice clean, crisp and modern exterior. And of course it's in a very popular residential road as well. Now what I'm really looking forward to as we go around this property is the finish here is immaculate. It's absolutely beautiful and you may well fall in love with it, and I certainly hope that you do. So we'll go through, take a look at the property in all of its glory. So here we are in the main entrance hall, and wow, it's not often that you're greeted with this sort of reception space. It is just absolutely beautiful. The staircase here is just absolutely wonderful, and you've got all of that natural light just flooding through those velux windows there, and it creates a very opulent feel to this property. So we'll go through and take a look at the reception space now, which has an equally opulent feel to it. So here we are in the first of the property's reception spaces, and the first thing you notice is those lovely big windows. It's a wonderful sized space as well. It's a very large room, this, and again you can organise the layout of this property however you'd like to, whether or not you'd like to use the abundance of reception space as further bedroom space. It's completely up to you whether or not you'd like a larger dining area or study space. It's completely up to you. So coming through to another one of the property's reception spaces, you can see here again another wonderful sized room. And again, whether or not you'd like a gym at home is up to you. Whether or not you want to organise it as a dining room or a study, it's up to you. But this property offers such a versatile layout, and you'll see as we go through exactly the opportunities that are on offer here. So coming through the French doors off of the hallway, we come through to the main lounge of the property, and you can see that big bank of windows there at the front, and you can see again those lovely French doors leading out into the rear garden, and the really nice placing of the log burner there, which creates a really cozy and enclosed feel to this very large space. So here we are in the kitchen, and again this space is beautiful. It's a kitchen and breakfast area, and you do also have a little corridor which will lead you through to a utility room as well. So it's just an absolutely wonderful space, and you've got again those French doors just leading out into the rear garden, so you can fling those doors open in the summertime, and this will be a really nice space to have friends and family over. And it is just wonderful. You can of course see you've got a wealth of fitted appliances here, and that lovely big butler's sink there as well. It's just such a beautiful space, but it's so practical as well. So here we are upstairs on the galleried landing, and it is just so impressive. It's absolutely beautiful, and you can often feel guilty using the word beautiful too many times, but this property really is that. It's gorgeous. You can see, of course, you've got those lovely velux windows letting all of that natural light through, but it's just wonderful to have this galleried landing, and it's so rare. So we'll go through and take a look at the bedrooms up here now. So we're in the first of the bedrooms, and again you can see just how lovely and big those windows are, just letting all of that natural light through. And this room in particular, very nice size, certainly enough space in here for that double bed, plenty of space in here for wardrobe and chest of drawers as well. We'll take a look at the family bathroom here, and again the style follows through. You've got that nice clean, contemporary, modern and sleek look here as well. So of course you've got the bath and the shower unit here. Here we are in yet another bedroom, and again it really is the first thing you notice, those lovely big windows just letting all of that natural light through. And again, another double-sized room with plenty of space for a double bed or even larger, and for wardrobes and chest of drawers. So coming back out onto this galleried landing, we're going to go and take a look at this space at the front, which is a really ingenious use of the space. You can of course organise this area as a bit of study space if you wanted to, or as a nice little reception space for guests. It's completely up to you, but panning down and seeing that view down onto the hallway, it is just so impressive. So here we are in another double bedroom, and again you can see here just a really fantastic space. Definitely a double-sized room, plenty of space here for the double bed, plenty of storage and a bit of alcove storage there as well. So really brilliant space. So here we are in the master bedroom, the real pièce de résistance with these bedrooms upstairs. It is a wonderful space. Of course, you've got 4 double bedrooms up here, but this is just brilliant. You've got the walk-in wardrobe, which is a very good size when it comes to walk-in wardrobes. There's certainly no compromise here whatsoever, and you have an absolutely stunning ensuite here as well, and we'll go through and take a look at that. Let's go outside now and take in the outdoor space, and of course you can see here you've got a nice mixture of patio area and grassed area. So of course when you've got friends and family over, you're going to have plenty of space to enjoy your time with them. Let's recap a few things on this property. Of course, it is ready to go. There is nothing to do here whatsoever. It's absolutely beautiful. It occupies a really good corner plot and its location is fantastic in Baddlesmere Road. It's 4 double bedrooms. There is plenty of parking here, and I'd really encourage you to give us a call so that you can find out a little bit more about this beautiful home.